Hello, Penny, Computershare's virtual agent. In this short video, I'll go through some of the information that appears on Computershare's 1099 DIV. But before we look at the form, I thought it would be a good idea for you to have some basic information about why Computershare sent you the form and the amounts we included. Computershare is required to send you Form 1099 DIV if you're a U.S. resident or resident alien and you receive dividend payments or distributions during the year. Note that this includes dividends you reinvest through an investment plan. You'll also receive the form if you're a non-resident but have not filed Form W-8 with us. Computershare is not required to send you Form 1099 DIV if the total amount of dividend you received is less than $10 and no taxes were withheld from the payments, or if you have a valid W-8 form on file with Computershare. Now that you know why Computershare sends or doesn't send Form 1099 DIV, let's examine the information it contains. This is Computershare's Form 1099 DIV. If you did not receive dividend payments through Computershare, your form might look a little different. At the top of the form, you can see the information we have on your account, as well as contact information for Computershare. We print a control number on your form so that you can securely import your data into tax filing software. You can contact your tax preparation software provider for information about using their tax software. The middle section contains instructions for you as the recipient of the form. The section of the form we're really interested in for this video is the bottom section. This section is where Computershare prints the amounts we report to the IRS on your behalf. Although other boxes could contain reportable values, most of the forms Computershare issues to holders only contain information in boxes 1A, 1B, 4, 5, the box titled Company Paid Fees, and Discount on Reinvestment. So this video will focus on those amounts. Let's have a look at each one. Box 1A contains the total amount of ordinary dividends that are taxable. Ordinary dividends are paid out of the earnings and profits of a corporation and are ordinary income. Most dividends paid on common or preferred stock are ordinary dividends unless the corporation has told Computershare otherwise. Box 1B contains the amount of qualified dividends. Qualified dividends are the ordinary dividends subject to the same 0 to 20% maximum tax rate that applies to net capital gain. The tax rate applied to your qualified dividends will depend on your individual tax situation. Box 4 shows the amount of income tax withheld from the payment and remitted to the IRS on your behalf. Box 5 displays the amount of Section 199A dividends. Section 199A dividends are eligible for the 20% qualified business income deduction. This amount is included in your ordinary dividends reported in Box 1A. Generally, you must report any amount appearing in Boxes 1A through 12 to the IRS. The Company Paid Fees box contains the amount of fees the issuer paid on your behalf on dividend reinvestment or optional cash purchase transactions. This amount is included in the amounts shown in Box 1A or 1B. If you participate in the issuer's dividend reinvestment plan, the Discount on Reinvestment box contains the amount of any reinvestment purchase discounts offered by the issuer. You'll only have amounts displayed in these two boxes if the issuer is paying for the fees associated with dividend reinvestment plan transactions, or if you're able to acquire shares within the dividend reinvestment plan at a discount. If neither one of these situations apply to you, both boxes will be blank. For more information related to the amounts printed on your 1099 DIV, please consult with your tax advisor or refer to our website at www.computershare.com.